Coming to the last part, what integrated reasoning is. Now, in integrated reasoning, there will be two things. There will be maths and there will be verbal section. Now, I will tell you few important points which you have to keep in your mind while you are solving your IR questions. Now, this section is for 30 minutes and it contains 12 questions. Now, this integrated reasoning section is not an adaptive section. It is not like upon your previous question you are going to get your new question. And in this section, each question contains sub-questions. Like there will not be a single question, but every question will be having sub-questions. So if you make all the questions answers correctly, only then you are going to get any score. Suppose one question comes along with 3 parts and you are going to get 2 answers correctly and 1 wrong, you are not going to get any mark for it. So be very careful. Your score for this section will be from 1 to 8 marks and this will not be included in 800 marks. And in IR section, you cannot skip any question without answering it completely. Suppose if you are confidently answering only 2 questions out of the 3 sub-questions, even then, without answering the third sub-question, you cannot go further. A good news that you can use calculators wherever needed. This section will be a combination of maths and verbal questions, as I have already told you. This section only contains 4 types of questions. So the first type of question is table analysis, second is graphical interpretation, third is multi-source reasoning, and fourth is two-part analysis. So the specialty what you can use in tabular analysis is that you have the sorting facility, and whenever it comes to graphical interpretation, you have drop-down boxes and you can go for picking up by choosing the best answer. In multi-source reasoning, it is like the layered questions. So you can click on just a particular layer as your answer. In two-part analysis, some of the questions will have relation in between the first part and the second part, whereas in other two-part analysis question, there will be no relation between the first part and the second part. Now, coming to the last part of this video, what do the business schools actually look for? So, the business schools look for your GMAT scores and your AWA and IR scores, because a few of the universities ask for your minimum AWA score and IR scores. So be careful. I don't say that all of the university will ask for this, but a few will be asking for this score as well. Like roughly some 20 to 30% of the universities will be asking for AWA and IR scores. So third and very important thing is your work experience. So business school also look for your work experience. This will be like a value addition for the people who have work experience of 2 years, and apart from this, they will also look for your academics. And definitely they will be looking for your extracurricular activities. So whatever they are looking for, I must say that GMAT score is very important. And if you have some added things, so this will be an advantage for you guys. Thank you.